Hello and welcome to this hypnosis experience for driving test nerves. If you suffer from nerves on a driving test or any kind of test, this video contains a simple but powerful hypnotic technique.
Yeah. Once she steps foot into the roadway, then you have the responsibility to wait for her. Got it. Careful.
That will allow you to overcome these
We're going
nerves
to turn left
and
into
succeed
the driveway.
in your aims.
The drive test center.
This video is especially useful for people who find it difficult
Nobody's here.
to let go,
Let's back it into a space here to your
people
right.
who find
Whichever
it
space you want.
hard to relax and to meditate. And maybe those of you who have tried things like this before and it didn't work will find great benefit from the technique contained in this
It's
track.
a little more challenging when you don't have vehicles.
Yeah.
It will also work for anyone who finds it easy to go into hypnosis. And it doesn't matter whether this is your first time going into hypnosis or you've done it many times before.
Nice. Yep, that's very
So
good.
first of all,
Okay.
just get yourself
We'll make a left turn out of
comfortable.
here.
You may choose to lie down on the bed, or you can choose to sit in a comfortable
And we'll turn
chair.
left out of here.
Okay.
And I'd like you now to just close your eyes if you haven't already done so. If you have, which part of you made that choice?
Then a left turn.
When did that happen? Did you even notice? And just continue listening quietly to the sound of my voice. And
This
as you
whole
listen
area again,
to the
it's
sound
40.
of my voice, I'd like you to concentrate for a few moments on your breathing. Breathing slowly